Another thing that I want to add is a Minimap. So I again go to my leaflet, documentation. Let's open leaflet, and inside the plugin, at the plugins, I'll search for Minimap. Okay. This is Minimap and Sync Map. So let's search for Minimap and Sync Map. So actually, I'm interested in the leaflet.minimap. Okay. You can also take a look at the leaflet.sync. And if it has a good demo available, I think the demo is not there. Actually, it syncs different events. Okay, maybe the demo is available there. Okay, so there are two different base maps. So like when you are changing it is also changing here. Actually, this base map is pretty good. Actually, I really like this base map. I haven't seen this earlier, but this is some type of elevation map. And I think this data is available for the whole org. Let's check it. Actually, let's see if it's available for Dhaka city. Actually, I'm using that from Dhaka. So I think it's available for Dhaka city also. That's really nice. So actually, let's see the code behind it. It is OpenStreetMap, and press Ctrl U. So this is Open Topo Map. Okay, so actually I'll use this line of code. And I also add this as a base map. It is good. Paste it here, and I'll call it Open Topo Map. Okay, and I'll remove this. Maybe I'll set the maximum to 23 again, and keep it as it is. Okay, take this to use it later. And as I was saying that I'm interested in the minimap, so you can also take a look at the leaflet.sync thing. The documentation is here, but I'll be using the minimap for the sync event. So from the example, and using the minimap control, no external link is available, so we have to download the code. Download the code, and this is the how we initiate the minimap. Control.minimap. After that, we give it our layer name, means our tile layer name, and we add it directly to the map. And there are some options like position, width, and height, and collapse it, and all other things. So how do we do? We'll download the code. It has been downloaded. Let's open the folder. Click get Minimap master. Let's copy that and batch 3, password map, plugins. Let's paste it here and create a folder from Minimap, and I'll extract that to this directory and Minimap master. So let's see how it is. Mail.control.minimap, maybe in the source directory. Not sure. Control.minimap.min on Matrix. So these are the files that we are interested in. It is located in the distribution folder. And also we'll be using these images. So I'll copy this whole thing and set the plugins, Minimap, paste it here. Okay. And remove that. Also this one. And I add this thing inside the map. Let's add that link, style sheet, in the plugins directory. So it is plugins. Inside the plugins, it is Minimap. Inside the Minimap, it is control dot control control dot it is control dot minimap dot min dot css file. Okay, plugins minimap control dot minimap dot min dot css file, and inside the script tag I will use the source and I will copy this whole thing and paste it here, and I will change the extension to JS. In order to initiate that, I need to call this on l.control.minimap. Let's do that. And I will create another section here and I'll call minimap. And inside the minimap, I'll paste it. Minimap, and for minimap, we will be using that HTML imagery maybe. And what I will do, I'll take a copy of this one. So actually, you cannot use the same tile layer as a base map, and also in the minimap. You can use it on either in the minimap or as in the base map layer. So actually, I'll create a copy here, and I'll call it minimap. Okay, so that I can use this also in the base map and also in the minimap. You will see that in a minute what I mean. So I'll add it here, and I'll add it directly to my map. I'll set that. And let's see that how's the default options. See that our minimap is there. And actually, I like the default options. The height and width seems perfect to me. And I can zoom to any location, and a certain level of zoom out satellite view will be available for that location. You see that I'm seeing this bank of the river, and a certain level of zoom out view is available in a satellite view. This is the minimap. And there are options like you can control the height and width. Okay, let's add some options here. So let's see the options. It is position and height and width. Okay, let's do that. So after we have added the tile layer, we can add some options here. So let's add some options here. Say the position. I want it on bottom left. Okay, and the height, I'll set it to, by default it is 150 pixel. 150. Okay, let's change that and maybe set that to 300 if that is the case for you. With the height to 300 and the width 300, and set that, and let's see that how this appearing on our screen now. So the position has changed. It's now here. It looks ugly and also it is much bigger. So I want to settle it down here and set the default position to 150. So I'll set to bottom right and 150, and this one also 150. Okay, let's save it and load that. So